All right. So today we will learning about graphic design.
Mister, it
Yeah.
is about 8. We're learning at 10.
Sorry.
I'm just here to wait, so I'm early. Because the lesson starts at 10, right?
Is it 10?
Yeah, 10 to 10:40.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Wait. Okay then. Thank you.
Kate was also here. Oh, never mind.
recording.
It's not me. It's
Iya, itu ada 5 departemen loh. That's why. Hi,
Hi, Miss
Yancy.
Nia.
You are way too early, darling.
Yeah, I wanted to come here just
Hello, good morning, everybody.
Morning, Mr. Al.
Good morning, Krista. Good morning.
Morning, Mr. All.
Yeah, good morning, Yancy. Good morning, Adriana. And who else? Naomi and yeah, Yancy. Okay, today we're going to talk about graphic design. Actually, graphic design is some of things that will always need by human because we all always use graphic design to convey our message. Hi, good morning, Oliver. And then graphic design is very important, okay, especially when you are working in the advertisement company or in anything. You sell everything. You have your cafe. You have your product to be sold to your client. Or last time you also talking about how to be the interior design, right? That's why if you want somebody to call you, if you want somebody to need your help, you have to create some poster or flyers or advertisement so that people will know you and they will contact you, and after you work you will earn a lot of money for your self. Okay, to be a graphic design, actually we have to pursue university. You have to go to the college, and then you will be spend your life like 5 years maybe for yeah. No, we're not going to use 5D planners because that one is only for interior design. We're going,
But Mr. All,
yeah, Kate?
uh, in the lecture which has the link for me, it says that we have to go to 5D Planner and register.
The planners and what? Sorry?
We have to go to Planner 5D and register. So yeah.
Yeah, sorry, that one is a mistake. You have to go to, tomorrow I will announce you. You have to go to postermyworld.com. Okay, I will type it
Poster
first
my
for you.
world. Oh, poster my world.
Yeah, postermyworld.com. Myworld.com.
Poster
Then, yeah,
my wall.
mywall.com. Right, I'm going to share you some slides about why that we talking about graphic design. And yeah, actually I have a lot of profession in my life now. I am a art teacher. I also graphic designer. I am a video editor. I also interior designer. So if somebody help me, I mean somebody trying to catch me to getting some help from me, I will do everything, and then I get a lot of money from that. That's why I would like to encourage everybody, not about the money, okay, but this one is about the lesson. If you know everything, if you can handle everything, if you have a lot of knowledge and skill, later your life will be so useful to your family, to your kids, okay. I want you to not giving up easily, because life is only like you have to challenge, you have to win the battles, and you have to do everything, all right, using your knowledge and skill. That's why if you don't have anything when you grow up, you don't know what to do because you're jobless, just to remember that you still have your creative mindset here inside your brain. You can do poster, you can do video editor, you can even create interior designer, designing some house and everything. All right, just remember, Mr. R already taught me that I do not need to giving up. I have to do all my best because Mr. R already taught me about everything. All right, now graphic design. This one is very simple. You already know. You already familiarized with the word, but sometimes you don't really understand what is that, Mr. Oh, I don't really understand what is graphic design. Okay, I'm going to show you just a little bit. Okay, we're going to have a discussion after this, and I want you to be actively involved in my discussion because this one will be useful for the next 5 year days that we're going to spend this week. All right, this one is a slide presentation. Can you see my slide, guys? Yancy, can you see my presentation?
Mm-hmm.
All right, this one is graphic design, a short story of graphic design. Yancy, I want you to read the word, please. Ready, one, two, go.
Graphic design is art with a purpose. It involves a creative and
systematic plan to solve a problem or achieve certain objectives. With the use of images, symbols, or even words, it is visual communication and the aesthetic expression of concepts and ideas using various graphic elements and tools.
Okay, a long time ago, when we don't have any tools, we don't have any machine to produce our poster, our knowledge, our book, or everything. We use something like the one who live in the cave. They use their hands, and then they use some blood or some of the plants coloring. I mean, plants who have a coloring character like that, and then they will just put the sign on the cave, on the wall of the cave. That one, humans and realize that one is one of the first graphic design history that somebody trying to convey, trying to deliver, trying to talk about their message. That's why graphic design is all about. Okay, graphic design is also can be created in different form. I want Kate to read it loudly, please. Kate, can you help me to read it?
Graphic design. Common applications of graphic design include corporate design, logos and branding, editorial design, magazines, newspapers, and books, wayfinding or environmental design, advertising, web design, communication design, product packaging, and signage.
Yes, when you grow up later, I want Kate just to be just example that if Kate want to be a businesswoman and then Kate's trying to sell some house, so Kate need some graphic designer, or maybe she can work with herself to create a poster about what is the thing that she wants to sell. Okay, the poster is affected a lot. If you can create a poster very nice with the colors, with the very nice titles and the word typography and everything, you also put the picture on your poster, that will be easy for somebody outside there to see your poster, to see your advertisement, and then they will be encouraged also to buy your product. That's why graphic designer is very important in all our company. Okay, in SWA we have a lot of graphic design. We know Mr. Fidaus, Pak Angki, Pak Jefta, they are all graphic designer who hired by school to promote the Sinarmas World Academy, to create a poster, advertisement video, and everything. That's why they are there, to communicate with others, with another person. All right, below this one is the logos that already exist in our life. Who knows? I mean, who never knows about FedEx, BBC, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, and McDonald's, Nike, Apple, Adidas. This one a very huge brand that we already live with that. Okay, since long time ago. Before you born, even Coca-Cola already there. Okay, and then this one we call it logos or logotype. Logotype means the word, like FedEx is logo type, the type that become a logo. For Pepsi, the word Pepsi is a type, but the logos like the circle with the red and blue is the logo. Okay, Starbucks is a logo. On your left side, this one is a logo because there is no
Mr.
Starbucks.
O?
Yes?
You know there's supposed to be a secret message in Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
The Coca-Cola logo.
Later we will talk about this one. Yeah, I think we have.
I think it's a flag.
Yeah, I also read about the articles about the hidden message from the Coca-Cola's logos. And Nike, a very nice and familiar logo with the only like checklist sign.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why this brand already exists for about maybe 10 years or more. That's why this one is very powerful.
Mister?
Yes?
Hidden in the Coca-Cola logo is the Denmark flag, I think. Yes, Denmark flag.
Denmark flag, yeah. So we were going to find out later, yeah? All right, next.
And Mr. One more thing is before when Apple, it has a part that's been eaten. Someone ate it. I think another type of logo can fill the apple. Another type.
That's why
I forgot what it is.
When you become a graphic designer, you can do whatever you want to do. okay, to present your logo. Okay, as always, that as the one that we already done before, you have to meet your clients, and then you have to promote, you have to give them a lot of information. This is the logos that you need to create or you need to produce, and this is my help, I have to make it like this. And yeah, you have to present, you have to make sure that your client choose your logo. At the end of this lesson, again, maybe somebody will be the buyer. Okay, somebody like Miss Rhea or Miss Kelly will be the buyer, and then they will be the judge who going to pick the logos that she wants. Okay, but later I will give you information that you need to create some logos based on Miss Kelly's or Miss Rhea's requirement. All right, but today we only have fun with the logo first. Okay, on the left side there is a joker. This one is a logo poster about what? Do you have any idea?
A movie.
Guys?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll present you some of the poster here. On the left, we have Joker, and at the right, we have Lost Dog. What is this actually? Who have any idea about this one? Yancy, do you know what is this?
Is it like a movie, a poster for a movie, like a movie thing?
Okay, did you find that this movie's poster effective?
Pretty effective.
Really effective because of what?
It's because it shows them. I think it makes you think about the main character, what the movie's about. Then once you see the name, you want to learn more about the poster or more about the movie.
Okay, how about Adriana? Adriana, on our right side, there is a Lost Dog poster. What is this? What is the information that you're trying? What is the information that the creator trying to send us?
Mister, is that real? It's not real, right?
I don't know. I just take it from the internet.
Oh.
Adriana, I need your help.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think about the poster on the right of Joker's poster?
Oh, you mean the Lost Dog?
Lost Dog?
They're pulling up the poster so some people can find the dog.
I cannot hear you. Can you speak louder, please, and close with your mic?
They're telling the people, but not actually in person, with a poster that there's a dog that's lost, that they can find it, then they'll have a reward of $500.
Okay, did you find that this poster effective or not?
Not quite effective because it said add here for other description and details about the dog.
Okay, why that this one is not really effective?
I mean, they do have the phone number, but they don't have the description of the dog because they just said add here and other description and details about the dog. They didn't
Okay,
add their description. They only
Mister?
added picture.
Yeah, I agree with you then.
Mister,
Yeah.
can I also say something why it is not like attractive?
Yeah, Kate, come on.
Because it is not colorful enough and not eye-catching.
Yeah, not enough eye-catching. But the dog's picture is there, quite big. Do you think that it's not enough? You have to make it more detailed?
Yeah, technically. I mean, there could be another twin of the dog that's maybe lost or something. There's like endless possibilities. They didn't tell about like the behavior of the dog.
Okay. All right. Maybe you think that if we put a lot of detail, it will help the people outside there to recognize or to even initialize this dog. Yeah, like that. All right. Next is about this one. What do you think about this poster? Who wants to say something about this one? Oliver, maybe? Where's everybody? My goodness, guys, I want you to be more
Mister,
active.
can I try?
Yeah, I know, Yancy, but I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 people here. So that Naomi or
8.
Oliver, you can also
Wait,
pick 12, yeah?
we are 6.
Okay, maybe Yancy, go first. Naomi after this one.
This is the question like, is it attractive or is it going well? This poster works for me because you know everyone likes a smartphone, right? And when you see it's 70% off and the words are really big, you would want to buy it. So
Okay.
you would want to get it somewhere.
All right, good. So did you found that this one is effective poster?
Kind of.
All right, big percent sell, 70% smartphone, and then they also put the smartphone with the vector design. All right, next, this one. What is this? Who wants to deliver their opinion here? Who want to share their opinion here? Naomi, you want to talk about this one? What is this?
Well, this is a street sign, I guess.
Mhm.
It's where
Yeah.
they put roads and directions to go to those roads.
Okay.
And
Do we need some picture on the signage to put
no,
there?
we don't. All we need is some arrows to show which direction and a place
Okay.
to show where the arrow is pointing to.
So did you find that this signage is effective for the humans?
Of course, if you don't have that, then you'll probably end up getting lost and you
Yeah.
wouldn't know where to go.
Okay. Do we need some detailed information to put on the signage?
Uh, yes, because like detailed. What I mean is by like the place, of course.
Yeah, yeah. But people are driving the car, and then maybe if we put some detail, that will be so small letter, and maybe if we put some picture, it will be so much, and then people will just stop, and actually the jam will be so long if they want to read the information. Do you think that information, the detailed information, is needed in the signage, in the road
No,
signage?
it's unnecessary, and it's making them lose lose focus, and suddenly they can just have a car accident.
All right, thank you, Naomi, for sharing your idea. Yeah. Okay. Today's challenge. Think about your passion. All right. I know that maybe Yancy wants to be a designer, or maybe Yancy just only wants to be the businessman who sells some bubbles.
Actually, no, mister, I want to be a lawyer.
Okay. If you want to be the lawyer, then you have to make some poster. Okay, advertisement poster based on something that you plan to sell. In this case, lawyer is a what?
Well,
Is
I
it
want to graduate from that
Right.
to become a judge.
Right. I want you to work now with the
The judge.
yeah.
But, mister, can we create like does it have to be a selling poster or can it be like an encouraging poster, like stay at home poster?
No, we're going to
Oh.
make it real, okay? If we are talking about nonsense, there will be a nonsense also that we can get. This one is like a simulation when you all grow up, and then this is why that I trying to make our lesson becoming more interesting, because this one have to be related with our life. If it doesn't relate it with our life, then why that we learn about this one? Okay, I don't want to wasting your time. When you grow up, for sure you will need this skill to sell your profession, to sell yourself, to sell your business thing, to promote everything that you want to promote, because at the end you will need to work. Okay, whether you work on inside the company or yourself, you build your own company in your house. That is the matters that we are talking about today. So I want you now to simulate yourself that we are in the real life, that we need to create some poster. Okay, I want you to work with the paper and marker maybe. Okay, I want you to make some advertisement poster here. Okay, that you think this is effective, and I want you to promote everything that you want. For example, Naomi want to sell a car. Just put a car. You can get it from the magazine, or you can draw it by yourself, or you can just print it and stick it on your poster. I want you to make a advertisement poster about something that you want to sell. Any kind of size. Okay, Oliver, A4 is good, A3 is too big. You will be so tired to color it later on. A4 aja ya. A4. I need A4 paper. The Gmail said what?
The Gmail said we need 5 pieces of A3 paper.
Yeah, later. That one you're going to put it. I mean, we're going to use it later. Today I
But
want to
Mr.
just.
Yeah, but Mr. I don't have A3 paper. I only have A4.
If you have any A3 paper, use that. If you have any A4 size of paper, you can use that also. Okay. Just grab
Mister, can
any
I
paper you
create
can.
my own little poster once I finish this? If I
Yeah.
finish this?
Yeah, you have to make your own poster, Yancy, about everything that you want to sell. A4 is good. A3 is also better. A3 is too
The big.
yeah, too big and too exhausted.
Cannot
I will
finish.
be so yeah, so tired to color later. So that's why it's prefer you use A4 size. You color it with everything you have, crayons or watercolor, anything. Okay, if you want to make it black and white, it's also okay. At the end, I want your opinion about the poster that you want to create. Mister, what specific topic? Any kind of topic, okay? Just imagine when you grow up, maybe you can be the designer, you can be the businessman, or you can be
The businessman.
yeah, you can sell everything. The
But I'm a
thing that you
girl.
think that I want to sell my house, or I want to sell my
Just need
shoes
to like
or garment or everything. Okay. If you don't have any idea, I give you some idea. Okay, you can put a smartphone here. Just sell the smartphone. If you think that smartphone is not really good topic, Mr. I want house. Yes, you can just draw a house here and put some selling word. Just try to impress everybody outside there. When you stick your poster on the wall, they will read it. They will be so excited with your poster and they will contact you directly and suddenly they will buy your product. Okay, that is our goal. Right? I want you now to create your own poster. You can open up the camera so I can see your face and I can monitor that you are really working or not. Thank you, Naomi. I actually need your facial expression, guys. If you feel tired, I will not force you. That's why we have to open the camera, okay? So, Mr. I will draw my own poster, but you don't need to follow me. Okay, I'm going to sell maybe.
Do we have to sell?
Yes.
Oh, I'm not good at
Mister,
selling.
can we make a crazy stuff?
2 for
Yes.
1, 2 for 1.
Right, it's up to you. If you want to make something crazy, like really impress people, that's why you are very creative. I trust you are a very good designer. I want you to design and you can use any kind of style, word, and even everything, but it has to be necessary, yeah? Do not go out
Mister,
from the
2
border.
for 1.
Yeah, do not go out from the border. We are still student and I'm still teacher, so please put something necessary to our poster.
We are selling things,
Yeah,
not real
sorry,
things.
Naomi, I'm going to read the.
I'm going to sell.
Very stuff. Yes. Does it have to be in paper? Yes.
I will sell my
We're
cat.
going to play. We're going to use
He's
paper first.
outside.
We can. So, are we selling things? Yes, Naomi. We are going to.
I can sell
things.
anything?
Yes, anything.
Can I
you
sell my
want.
cat?
Yes, cat is also cool.
Okay, actually, my cat is right out there watching.
So she will be so sad then because you have a plan to sell her.
Don't worry. She wanted to go outside when she was little, so now we only feed her.
So, Kate, do you have any idea what is the thing that you want to sell?
No, she's not allowed in.
You can sell a book if you have
I
it.
can sell book. I have book. I wrote my own book, and
You can
I
sell your
haven't even
painting.
finished the. I haven't even finished the front cover yet.
Okay. You can
So,
sell a
can't
marker if
sell
you
it.
want. Draw some marker and remember you have to draw. I mean, you have to.
Oh yeah, 2 for 1, 2 for 1.
Do we need to make sell or like there is a new tiny poster? We are
2 for
going
1.
to create
2 for 1
a selling
unicorn pen.
poster. All right. You need to create a selling poster.
I know.
Selling about everything. Try to make a good and effective posture as
I
best.
can't. Why is my hand so jiggly?
Right. You can start now. We have only like 15 minutes.
Mister, guess what I'm making?
You don't need to make it more, perfect, but if you can make it, that's really cool. I just want to see the message on your
Mister,
poster. Is that effective or not? What, Yancy? Your glass is really cool. You look like a real designer, you know? Yeah,
but I'm
don't.
not yet a real designer. Not yet. That's going to be one of my part-time jobs. I have many part-time jobs in the future.
Yeah, hopefully. Some designers dress very unique, you know? They have a very big glasses. They also something like
Oh, you
wearing
mean the
a nice.
spectacles or the glass? You know, the one glass. Never mind. Those are the smart people. The
Yeah.
smart people wear those things.
Okay.
What is it?
Or just contact lens. Contact lens is good. Yeah, just sell contact lens is good. Kate, you're smiling. What are you thinking?
I'm selling something.
So I'm not
involved with
supposed to
unicorn.
smile, mister?
What? I'm not supposed to what? Oh, no, no, no. You can smile actually, but oh, you have something with Adriana, I think. You chat with Adriana because you guys both smiling together. I'm just assuming that you guys have a like.
Until I got bagged, and I kind of regret it.
You got bangs?
Yeah.
I searched online and I saw very crazy thing. Oh, don't share it, please. Don't share it.
Who
Right.
searched something online? That's so crazy.
Right.
Show it to us.
I'm going to make my poster. Yeah, we only have 15 minutes, and I want you to finish with the poster and the
15 minutes to
presentation.
finish the whole poster?
Yes, try to make it simple but effective. All right.
Fine. But Mister, we're not using technology. What if our words are bendy? We're not bendy.
Up to you. Actually, today some of designer also they talk. I mean, they're working also manually to make some rough thumbnail sketches.
You know what? Then I'm just going to make this all capital. So it's
Okay, you can fold A4 paper in half. Yes, good. That is a good strategy to make yourself not very tired. Yeah, right. I also will.
Mister, you keep on making it smaller and smaller and smaller. And it's going to be so small that we can't even see it anymore. So
Yeah, we will
I'm
see that.
sticking with my A4.
Yeah, later we will see that if you create a small poster, is it effective or not?
No,
We're going
it's
to
not.
talk about it uh, at
No
the
one
end
can
of
see
our
it then.
lesson today. All right, Adriana, don't jump. Okay, you have a very beautiful life. Okay,
I don't know what to do.
all right. Naomi, don't follow Adriana. Yeah. You can open your windows, but don't jump.
I'm not jumping. I just wanted to see my sunflower plant.
Yeah. I'm just kidding, Adriana. I know you. I trust you. You will not doing some crazy things unless at the bottom there is a swimming pool.
Unicorn.
Now I'm going
My
to make
design
my
has
own
something
poster.
to
I'm
do
going
with
to find some
unicorn.
magazines, so it will be a little bit.
I have come back to the light.
Yeah, I will come back after
And
this.
I like
Wait.
unicorns again. The unicorns. I'm selling unicorns. I'm not selling my cat anymore.
All right, guys. I'm so lucky because in my room we have a lot of magazines. So
No!
I
Unfair.
don't need to draw it.
Unfair. Unfair. Very unfair.
I have 3 more sunflower bags. I need 4. How to plant them? They're growing.
Mister,
Yeah.
guess what my poster will be about. That
I saw chili with my sister and my family.
Okay, I'm going to use magazine.
actually my mom grew some bananas. There are a lot of bananas outside. I could sell bananas. Why do unicorns exist when giraffes don't? Why do unicorn not exist when giraffe does? A unicorn is just a horse with a horn, but a giraffe looks like a leopard moose with a 40 feet. Last time you sell Pokemon cards. Oliver!
All right, I think I'm done with my poster now.
Yeah, that was a big fail. And also, you were there. So don't you...
Mr. Can you give me a topic to do?
How about food?
Food? I want food.
Burger or
Burger?
pizza?
Mister, can it be something like there's something new coming out?
Yeah, you're coming up
Yeah,
with this
it's sell
idea.
the iPhone 14.
I sell food. I cut this nice food and I will stick it on my drawing. Don't wasting your time, guys. We only have 10 more minutes. Come on.
So what? 10? Time to go.
Oliver, you should sell the iPhone 14.
You mean the iPhone? What?
Yeah, you should sell more iPhones. Like the iPhone 14 with 6 cameras.
Yeah, it can be iPhone 14, whatever that one.
Really? Make the iPhone 16, 9 cameras.
I wonder what they're gonna do to make the
I need to copy this. I need to copy what Naomi said. It's too funny. Copy. And I'm pasting in the chat so everyone can see. My grade 4 chat. Done.
I like sparkling clothes. I got fun.
Put me in credits, bruh.
Old flag.
I'm misspelling some words because people will look at it more.
I'm not even done with my first word yet because I want to make it big. And it's not working out.
Okay, I'm going to sell my product, yeah?
Really? What is it? Can we buy?
I want to sell my product because I want to eat sushi, but I can't.
My product name
What
is
does that
called
have to
Flat.
do with anything?
There's Corona. It's Corona time. Sushi is
Yeah.
raw.
Go.
I still want to sell my product.
Roy's just texting me. Wait, I need to draw a unicorn here.
Eat my chili.
Okay, some designer actually they are working manually, like making a thumbnail sketches, so that they can get a lot of inspiration. This is the very first step that designers doing when they have a order from somebody to create some poster. They usually grabbing some paper and they're trying to do something, just trying to make it. They're trying to get some idea from it. So we are doing that step actually today. But tomorrow we're going to work with our devices. You can use your laptop to create your own poster. Okay, I want you to to register your name first in the www.postmyworld.com. Okay, this one is my product. All right, Yancy, this one is my product. I want to sell my hot plate.
Hot plate? What?
Yes, hot plate. I'm going to build some restaurant and I want to sell my concept. I mean, my concept is about the plate. So everything that I serve to my client is always on the plate, on the hot plate like this one. That's why the name is hot plate, maybe restaurant or cafe on this part later on. All right. So I'm going to put the detailed information here and I will put my number. Okay.
Mister, you cheat. You didn't draw that.
That's why you don't need to draw it. Okay.
What?
Yeah, you don't need to draw it. You just get it from the magazine. You can print it and then cut it, stick it.
I wanted to sell a unicorn set.
Yeah, that's cool also.
Yeah, you get a unicorn pencil case, you get a unicorn, you get a unicorn doll, you get an actual
I think we only
unicorn
have
pet.
like 5 minutes left, but if I give you 10 minutes, is it okay, guys?
Yes, it is.
Oh, you want to go somewhere, Naomi?
No, I won't. I'm not going anywhere.
All right, I will give you 10 bonus
Until I finish
or
this.
extra time for you to present your work, yeah? Okay, just to present your work. Ready? I'll give you
Sparkles.
5 more minutes and then 10 minutes to present your work. Ready? Come on, finish your thumbnail sketches.
A unicorn. Space unicorn. The unicorn looks so scary. I can't draw. I can't draw this. I am not going to be able to do this. A unicorn.
All right, this is some idea. Maybe you can follow me. All right. The first one is I put my big headlines. This is the hot plate. I know that this one is not really detailed, but we're going to learn about this poster, right? I put the product on the center because I want the client, I want everybody to aware about the product that I'm going to sell. All right. This is the hot plate. So I offered them everything. I mean, all the food I will serve it onto the, onto the hot plate, this one. And then this one, Yancy, I put some information details. You can get it, guys. Just a little bit, not too much, because they also will feeling boring to watch the information. And also the contact person.
Mister,
Yeah.
my
Details
pen
are not boring.
What, Oliver?
My pen for tracing the word is gone.
It's okay, you can use crayons. Just grab everything that you can use to write something. And Oliver, can you please help me to open your camera, please? I want to see your handsome face.
That's where my permanent marker. Oh no, my paper.
Okay, Crystal and Kate, open your open your camera, please, so that we can see your.
This is where my permanent marker comes in.
Yay. Oliver, open the camera, please. Crystal also.
My cam is broken.
Oh no! Last time I saw Maurice also using it. Oliver, open up the camera, please, because Miss Kelly want to see your face.
Miss Kelly here.
Around this area. Okay, thank you, Crystal. Yay.
How am I supposed to draw a unicorn?
Just a simple one.
That's it. I'm starting over.
All right.
On the other side. I'm starting over on the other side.
Who's done? Yancy, are you done?
No.
Oliver, are you done? Yeah, just draw a horse with a horn. Just as simple as that.
Nope, I'm not good at drawing unicorns. Even though they're my favorite animal.
Find the picture on the magazine if you have it, or from the catalog that you.
Oh, I'm gonna go get some mags.
Yeah, get it. Adriana, you want to present your work?
No.
Come on, guys. It's fun to talk, actually. I wanted you not just only draw, you have to talk also about your concept behind your work.
Oh, wait,
I don't want you to be like, yes, Adri?
how does it feel at school? Because no students is there.
How
I'm
it's
back.
how is it the feeling that you are inside the school?
No, yeah. Also, you know who our homeroom teacher is? I want to know.
I cannot hear you. Your voice is so.
No, I wanna hear who the homeroom teacher is. for grade
Oh, you
five.
want to know who is the homeroom teacher like that? Just wait. Enjoy your
Mr.
holiday.
Al, do you think that it will be Mr. Grant again?
I don't want
No.
Mr. Grant again.
No, probably somebody else.
Why?
Mr. Grant is good.
It can't be
I don't know.
Miss Cherry.
Miss
I was
Cherry
want to
ready.
tell your
I think it will be Mr. Grant.
Why you don't want Mr. Grant to be your?
I want Miss Jackie. Yeah,
You
I
want
want
Miss
Miss
Jackie?
Jackie.
Why would you? Well, why wouldn't you want Mr. Grant?
Mr. Grant is good, right? It's very fun.
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah, but the part is he's really strict with reading log. You must do your reading log every time. If you miss 3 reading logs, or even
You just have to follow it. That's it.
you
Mr. Grant 3 times, I forgot what it was.
If you just do the reading log properly, then you
Wait,
won't.
what? If you miss the reading log 3 times, you will what? What?
you'll get the yellow slip.
Yeah, that's for us too. For
Well,
Miss
that's
Jackie too.
Not doing homework.
Yeah.
Reading log is homework.
Yeah.
If you just follow it, then you're fine.
To me, reading log is so useless.
The other teachers in reading log are just lucky. You're just lucky if you have those teachers with
Before you do your reading log, and you just say yes, but we didn't do it, and then he doesn't even check it.
Really?
Kate, what happened with your hand? You fallen down? Ah, Kate, don't close your camera, please.
Yeah.
Okay, it's time for presenting your work. I want you ready
No,
or not?
mister, I'm still.
Naomi, you will be the first. Oh yeah, congratulations, yeah, Naomi. Last time you are being chosen by Miss Kelly. Yay! You're very cool. I give you 2 thumbs up.
I'm
Naomi.
still looking for good magazine pictures. To
Right,
stick.
Naomi first. Come on, Naomi. Just say it, just a little bit about your work.
nowhere near done.
Okay, how about you present it tomorrow? Are you agree with that?
I'm okay with that.
Okay, I want you to work with that, and we're going to present your work tomorrow. Yeah. Enjoy your day, everybody, and no, you don't need to make it more detailed, but sometimes
Oh
it's
yes,
very
I
good.
found one. Ooh,
Yeah.
Dwayne Johnson.
Yeah, you can use that.
I can do the Dwayne Johnson.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do the eyebrow right. I think I did it. I'm not sure. I practiced a lot to do that. But
Okay, some designers say that the less is more,
Sure.
and then, but some also say that more is the better than the last one. Okay, just learning from last week, I saw Naomi very detailed in creating interior designer with everything, with the windows and everything. That's why that the client choose her work, and I want you to also repeat that step on this poster requirement, and we're going to meet it with you again tomorrow. Yeah, enjoy your day, everybody, and then please finish your poster because tomorrow you need to present it, and that one is a part of the learning process.
who likes BTS? Say ABC in the chat if you like BTS.
Okay, if you want to stay here, it's okay. I will leave the room. Yeah, bye bye. See you tomorrow, everybody.
Don't forget to stop recording.
Yeah, I'm going to stop recording first, and you will be safe to talk with your friends.
Why would you guys?